Have you ever dreamed of building intelligent systems that power the future? From creating chatbots and recommendation engines to deploying advanced AI models, this could be you. Welcome to the AI Mastery Bootcamp. Code, Train, Deploy, the AI engineer's path to success. Your complete training program designed to take you from AI enthusiast to an AI engineer. This bootcamp covers everything from basics of AI and machine learning to advanced techniques like neural networks, natural language processing, and real time AI deployments, all without requiring prior experience. Our bootcamp is designed with practical learning in mind. You won't just learn theory, you'll build projects, solve real world problems, and master end to end AI workflows. We provide step by step guidance and industry's best practices at every stage. You'll gain hands on experience building solutions in fields like computer vision, NLP, and deep learning. Whether you are new to AI or looking to expand your skills, this program equips you with the tools, techniques, and mindsets needed to excel in AI and machine learning. By the end of the bootcamp, you'll have industry ready projects and the confidence to build and deploy your own AI systems. Hi, I'm Vivin Arana, and don't wait for the future to happen. Build it. Enroll now in the AI Mastery Bootcamp Code, Train, Deploy, the AI engineer's path to success, and start your journey towards becoming an AI engineer. Let's create the future together.